Hey, how's it going, guys? Well, we're going to go ahead, clean this general area up right here, get some of this stuff moved around, probably move the totes of server boards and the gold finger slot cards, maybe up over that way. And then I'm going to get all the laptops from the basement that I had in that previous video a little while back, get them all moved up into here someplace on that shelving right there. So with that being said, we got to get some music going on here, and then I guess we'll start doing some organizing. Probably take a little break for some dinner, and then I might go live on TikTok tonight. Hopefully it'll be warm enough. Alright. I don't even know where to really start here. I got a couple totes of plastic that I need to take care of first. Might as well start off with this. A little bit of plastic here. Get rid of some of this stuff. I do have to empty the van out too. I may try to get a scrap load together. Ah, it's all muddy. Alright. Honestly, I should probably start working on a bunch of these computers tonight. Pretty sure most of those are actually in working order, but instead of getting $30–40 for them, I think I'm just gonna part out the CPUs in one big lot, sell the hard drives off for $2 a pound, depending if they're 1 terabytes or what they are, because one of them I did take apart did have a 1 terabyte in there. So gotta get my little electronics area kind of set up again. That's those bins that I had in the last video. Move Rusty. I could probably put Rusty outside again. Good guard dog. Alright. These saw blades though, I forgot to ask at work what kind of blades they were. Oh, we got a timer going off here. Hopefully that's done with. There we go. Alright. Sweet. This goes with this. Couldn't quite crammed back in here. That's alright, we'll worry about that in a little bit. But another little mini PC here. Guess we'll toss that in the computer pile. Some of these older ones though, some of the beige boxes and some of those server towers, I may look into some resale though. This hook is always good to have around. Never know when you're gonna need one of those. Dishes, small electronics. I guess this bucket can go into here. Remote. I'm starting a remote. I'm gonna start a remote lot of a whole bunch of mixed different remotes. See if I can't get like 100 of them all together. Resell those. I guess we could just keep that in here for now. I'll come across more. Oh yeah, this guy was cracked. Forgot about that. This one was cracked, so probably gonna take this guy apart. It's just Apple products are so darn hard to get into. Yeah, we'll worry about looking into that later. Maybe I can just pull that glass out now that it's broken.
Your child will love the Savage Crash doll. And stuffed with feathers from birds.
I think some of this stuff we're just gonna end up scrapping out and then restarting the resale stuff later on, just because I have too much stuff. I need to get it done. Like this Pioneer audio video receiver. I don't know. Maybe some of it we'll look into if it looks really promising, but for now, just putting all my electronic teardown stuff over here. Did end up plugging this guy in, but the lid slams. Otherwise that would have been a good reseller. Panels in there are supposed to be good resellers too. Man, there's a lot of power supplies. Always gotta throw in a couple power supplies here and there. Alright, everything's looking good over here yet, still recording. Probably not much in here. I'll just clip the cord and call it a day. And then we got small electronics. Oh yeah, those are the speakers. Speakers and stuff to go off to my recycler. You'll see these boards are the ones that I think they can go for like 100 and something. I'm just having trouble actually identifying what boards they are. These I gotta be careful with. Running out of room. Alright, a pile of laptops. Like I said, those are gonna go. I'll set that here for now.
No, that was for something from Rainbow. That Rainbow in the dark. I don't really have it on.
Old speaker with no battery.
Admit that to you. Here's the Red Rocker. I know that. It's heavy metal on APL.
Bunch more smaller electronics here. What the heck is this? Huh. Daughterboard. Somebody's trying to sell that for 10 bucks. It wasn't me. Actually push this power supply over to the other ones here. Got a few of them on the floor that we'll take care of later in that live stream. Wire bin's looking pretty good. Actually, it makes me wonder if that one goes with it. TVs! We got a few TVs here. Oh, don't fall. Pioneer speakers. I might look into these. Gold-plated pins. Heck yeah. Old power tools here. Alright, let's clip the cords off of those. Set these guys off to the side, 'cause I'm pretty sure these will be aluminum and have a nice electric motor in them. Yeah. A little bit of steel. Once again, a little bit of aluminum, electric motor, some steel. I'm just happy we're kind of getting this area back in order. Not sure what I'm going to do with these phones. Those other ones that I found, looked like some of them ended up selling for, they were going for like 15, 20 bucks a piece. I had 20 something of them. Not even a single person has really took a look at them. They've been listed for a little while now. I guess we'll see what happens. All right. I guess I started a bin full of small electronics in here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna transfer some of these over. Oh, another remote. We'll take that. No color.
Every month, because when you bank at Community First Credit Union, you own Community First.
We saved almost $7,000 on
Saving money like that. And sleep too. You think
I can see
make a difference in your life.
there's a reason for everything.
So if you want to save money on your next loan, come to Community First Credit Union. Limited time, $750 based on 1% of new money financed on select loans. See CommunityFirstC.com.
Oh, shit.
Equal housing opportunity. Here's First from
Another remote. I'm sure we got more of them inside those bins back over yonder there. Electric motors. Tons of electric motors.
I'm Alice Cooper, and right here before my show, you've got John Jordan, afternoons on 105.7.
Oh yeah, saving this guy for a video. I think we'll keep it around. TVs. Some nice boards in here. This one's not as good, but nice gold-plated pins here. All kinds of gold-plated pins there. But inside of these guys, they should have some good stuff. Couple more keyboards. Marked as broken. We're getting there. These are going to be for a separate video as well. These bike tires. I didn't know I had laptops in here. Might look into this one. RAM and stuff is taken. Dang. E-Matic. CF19. Huh. More laptops. So time consuming. Got transformers over there. I think I'm just gonna start dumping all my transformers into one bin for now. Got empty bins all over. Ooh, all them tantalum capacitors. Those are nice. Alright. Empty containers. Empty containers. Lots of empties. Running out of room again. Alright. I don't think those scuffs are gonna come out of this monitor. No. I don't think they are, anywho. We'll take a look at them downstairs, but these monitors need to get out of here before they get any more issues or dust. This one is HDMI. Those can get out of here. Those monitors might need to leave too. TVs for now. This is gonna go into the resale as well. Nemco slicer. Saw blades into the resale. There's that. This I kind of want to keep around and see if it'll work. Let's open up all these packages here. When I took my wire in, I didn't realize these were all packaged yet. I'll clip all them gold ends off of there. Getting quite the collection. Gotta get that wire stripper out here soon too. Alright, there's that. Now that we sped through all that, I'm gonna go ahead dump this wire into the main bin. There we go. Now we got ourselves an open barrel. That's good. We got two of them now. Even better. Alright, what do we want to do now here? Empty the garbage quick. There's that. Another open trash can now. Transformers. Heavy. I do believe. That's my oh shit, I almost dropped them. I do believe this is my transformer bin right here. Yeah. Holy crud. Those were heavy. Alrighty, there's that. Maybe we'll make a power board bin instead of filling that tote just full of them. A little more aluminum to take apart. I'm just glad we're finally getting back here a little bit more. Brass handle, nice. I don't know how to deal with these, to be honest with you. Probably just toss it over into the brass copper take apart area for now. Got a lot of that back here. Just gonna look up one of these phones here quick. Maybe I'll try to sell the lot on Marketplace. We'll see. Look them up real quick. Dial. Impact. Oh, yeah, right here it is. 25. 60. I mean, they look like they go for a good amount, but oh, that is an S. 824S, 20 bucks. I don't know. I don't know. I think we'll just take them downstairs and we'll worry about it later. See what the sold listings look like. Or not. Huh. I guess eBay's having some issues. Filter's all stuck up there. Alright, well, my wife's gonna have to head out here in just a little bit. With that being said, I am going to put this over here so we don't lose it. This will be another thing that goes inside. Nice heavy stack of phones. There's that. Got a lot more stuff back here yet to take care of. This isn't supposed to be scrapped. This is part of my decoration. Alright. There we go. Alrighty, I think I might end this part here, but we definitely will be back again with more organizing and cleaning. Alright guys, catch you in the next one.